Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x squared minus x minus 4 to power of 2 minus x cubed is equal to 26 to find the values of x. In the first step, we take this 26 to this side, so it will be x squared minus x minus 4 power of 2 minus x cubed and minus this 26, and minus 26 we can write this as minus 25 minus 1 is equal to 0. And next step, we take this part and this together, and we take this and this together, so it will be x squared minus x minus 4 to the power of 2 and minus 25, and we can write this as minus 25 as 5 to the power of 2, and we take these two parts together, and minus x cubed minus 1, and if we factor minus 1, negative 1, it will be x cubed plus 1 is equal to 0. And in here, we can write this 1 as 1 to the power of 3, right? 1 to the power of 3 also is 1. So, in here, we have subtract of 2 squared, and this is in the form of a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. And in here, this is in the form of a cubed plus b cubed, and this is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab and plus b squared, right? So, in here, we apply this formula. It will be x squared minus x minus 4 minus 5, and in here plus 5. So we write x squared minus x minus 4 and minus 5 times x squared minus x minus 4 and plus 5. And for this part, it will be x plus 1 times x squared minus x and plus 1 is equal to 0. And it will be in here x squared minus x, and negative 4 minus 5 is 9, negative 9, and times in here x squared minus x, and this plus this is positive 1, and minus x plus 1, this times this. X squared minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. And in here, we have x squared minus x plus 1, and also in here, we have x squared minus x plus 1. So, we factor x squared minus x plus 1. In this side, we factor this, so we have this x squared minus x minus 9, and in here we factor this, and we have negative x plus 1, and negative x plus 1 is negative x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, in here, this times this is equal to 0, so we have two solutions for x. The first, x squared minus x plus 1, this is equal to 0, and x squared. In here, negative x minus x is negative 2x, and negative 9 minus 1 is negative 10. So x squared minus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. From here, we use quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And a from here is coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is -1, and c is constant, is 1. So, x is equal to negative b. Negative 1 is positive 1 plus or minus the square root of b square. B square is -1 square is 1 minus 4 times 1 times a. 1 is 4 and times this one is 4. So it will be 1 minus 4 over 2 times a. A is 1, so over 2. And from here, x is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 4 is -3 over 2. And we can write -3 as 1 plus or minus the square root of 3 times the square root of -1 over 2. And in here, the square root of -1 is I, so our answer in here, it will be 1 plus or minus the square root of 3i over 2. So 1 plus or minus the square root of 3i over 2. So from here, from this equation, we find two values for x. And in here, we have x squared minus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. So we use quadratic formula. So it will be x is equal to a in here is coefficient of x squared is 1 and b coefficient of x is -2 and c is constant, -10. So in here, x is equal to negative b. -2 is positive 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared is 4 minus 4 times a. 4 times a is 1. So 4 times 1 is 4 and times c is -10. So 4 times -10 is -40 and negative 40 is positive 40 over 2a, and 2a is 2. And from here, x is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 40 is 44, and we can write 44 as 4 times 11 over 2. And it will be 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 is 2. So 2 times the square root of 11 over 2. And from here, x is equal to 2 over 2 is 1 plus or minus, and this 2 square root of 11 over 2, it will be square root of 11. So we find 4 value for x, 1 plus or minus a square root of 11 and 1 plus or minus a square root of 3i over 2. And this is our final answer for x. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.